peas.
Red peas, you know, they're brown right now.
Yeah, man, how much you eat? How much you eat?
120.
Yeah, coconut?
Not even that one now.
Alright.
Some man na put that side on there.
Wilbur?
Wilbur.
I'm not sure, I'm not sure, I'm not check him. I'm not sure, I'm not check him.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, Mr. Perry, I live like funny man, like.
Alright. Alright, people. I buy some peas a while ago because I want to cook some stew. You see me? Some stew peas, but I not use the pig tail, chicken foot and them thing there. I use saltfish, so it'll be saltfish stew. Right now, today on Monday, I leave it tomorrow. I already set up the fire ready, like prepare everything, buy the peas and get some more peas, buy some more peas. I don't say buy the peas already. I can't get no coconut. It's alright. One up on the coconut powder. I see that wasn't successful, so I will go. I had a shop now, forget that. I'm only one good to say, but I have to go. So, people, as I always say, always come with something different. So, just like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Get other people know about me. Help me build. Follow me on Jeff876. And yes, the adventures. The link to the page them down below and in the description. Just scroll along. Click it. Give me a follow. You see me, so soon come back. Alright people, so this are the fireside. Basically, I'm gonna hang up the pot them and this stick. So put it right here, so the fire the right here, so that I cook it through. And the rice I cook on the fire there over there, so you see me, so I did two of them one time. See pop them here, then cream like how when they see me, them come out, them run come to me. Yeah, so don't want to block them. But right, I got a bush and see me hang it a bamboo or something where I can put this on for run like if he legs them, but couldn't be there, man, so I just use 2 block. So as you know, I always come with something different. As you know, I always come with something different. And that's why only if you share the video, as long as the video, you just share it and leave a like on the video because I always come with something different, something out of the box. I better only ever know a starfish can mix stew like stew peas. I better never know that. Even the same thing man right here, so with the fire. Or something different. And if I don't even know them style, I'm saying alright, more come with something different and all that. Yes, so I'm gonna share the video and subscribe it. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this style, what you think about the surface stew, and what you think about me hang up the pot and cook. Yeah, what you think about that? Leave a comment and share. Make other people see them style here. Make them know them style cooking here. Share it out. Yeah, so tomorrow now, I'm going to start because I couldn't bother to do all the preparation from tomorrow when I do it. It's alright, I'm like prepare for now because I'm going to do it early in the morning and then I'm going to do it during the course of the day so I can eat the stew for breakfast and maybe for lunch or so. You see me? When I cook the portion, so I just want, I mean before, prepare for now and not because I like prepare now. I like prepare. So I'm everything for now. So tomorrow now, I'm going to do for now. With the piece we can soak, take it from morning, pressure it from inside, and then we come outside and do the finish touches. You see me? I don't know, I can't put the people in pressure pot, the shine pressure pot, pan, wood fire, make it black up. So I do pressure in from inside and come outside. So right now I have the coconut we get. Honestly, I have dry coconut on my tree, but they're not too dry. You see me? So I do and buy and leave them for Christmas. So by the time Christmas now, then the way we dry. enough. So I will try get a coconut or get coconut powder. If you like to use the original authentic stuff on the board. Sometimes you can use the coconut powder if you can't get coconut. Coconut very hard to get. Very hard to get. So get the coconut powder from a different shop. Or see they have coconut and go to the shop look more. So until them people so check back with you know. So look more. I want people today, Tuesday, the next day, you see me? And this true me I make, I first me I eat it, first me I make it. Now you about it and say yo, I want to try it and more take you up on a journey, you see me? Want to sweet and know what going on. So and if you feel like you don't want to try it, you can try it, you see me? So the person them way like true peas but don't eat picture anything there, can try it this way, you see me? The person them way don't eat meat. So I'm showing everything I'm gonna use now and then I get started. Alright, so the sudden glare. Anyways, these are the peas. Yeah, peas cook already. And this are the pot I'm mix it hang up. Yeah boy man. Anyways, it hang up right like this. Yeah. Water. Some saltfish already here. It already boil off. The coconut powder because I'm not get no coconut. Go to the plate. Some Maggi season here. Butter. I use because I get no coconut. I put butter in it. Put a one Irish potato in it. Scale and thyme, and rice. You see me? The reason why I put Irish potato in it is because I want it to take it up. Everybody know stew peas. When I cook stew peas, you mix a little flour and water and throw it if you get thick up, right? So I put one Irish in it. So when you cook, mash it out in it. So I'm not to use so much flour, if not no flour. So I'm put the Irish potato in it now and I cook, mash it out and see the thickness, and then I add little flour in it with when get thick up. You see me? If you don't want, you can put more Irish in it and no flour. So I'm showing you what I go on now. Showing you what I go on and we one Irish do. You see me? So right now, I learn as I go along. Because before I first made this, so I catch it for you now, people. So people, fire time now. Wow, God, that's kind of dull. No. Yes? Yes, smoke. Don't come down here. Alright, people, so this is all my build a fire here. Yeah. I have to watch out for the people. Wow. And that's a knife. love the authentic coconut more than people, but don't have it right now. And the video must go on. So I have no choice at all now. Maggie season people. Maggie try have customer appreciation because we Jamaicans use Maggie season a lot. I'm not sure about another country, but we know Jamaicans. That's what I know. Mountain knife, yeah, peel them there. So people, if you want to know about this, I know the choreograph doing it, only can just use a light. Just comment below and tell me. Alright, see if I ready, I'm going to put on this and then go for the knife. Alright people, so this is the way how I cook today. You see me? Yeah. See if I end up. Yeah. As I said before, I want to comment below and tell me what you think about this style, because enough people don't really know the style. I must share the video, you see me, because I put in the work and I bring some exclusive footage for you, you see me, so you can watch and enjoy yourself and at the same time be educated, you see me. So yeah, comment below and tell me what you think about this style. See there? Yeah, comment below. Share. If you don't subscribe, make sure say you subscribe. So I soon come up people. I'm going to knife and all that, so soon come back. Alright people, so I'm also going to put a platen knife because I want to get because I want to platen because I'm not platen, so I'll put a platen knife. You see me? So throw in the scallion. It was scallion time. People leave man again today. Showing the scallion now. So yeah. Even this young and now was super people. Yeah man, Irish young and now was rupees. What next? kinda hot. Hope I'm buy starfish too long enough because people when like with name starfish bar too long, you know. Some people when I cook starfish them bar every salt out tight. I don't like it so. I don't like it that way at all. To me it makes sense about it. Tight in the first place. It's all fish with people and people. What I'm going to do if I'm doing this, I'm throwing the rice same time. Throwing the rice same time. Same time I'm doing it pretty fast without it being long. I don't know, but every time I say my try to keep it short, like a 15-minute video, 10-minute video, he hours, 20 minutes ahead, half an hour. You know, yeah, man. But that's because I want to show you guys the full process, everything. See, I can find some bone, I know. The surface is not really bone, you know, I find enough like small bones, yeah. Salt, no people, salt. So, so yeah, ship back. I've keep on add stick to this now, people. Yes, people, so, as I was saying, keep on stick to this. So, that's what's good for now. Get a hot cover on this. So you go and see start boil up anything there. And then we throw in the little dumpling them. Yeah. But first I'm going to catch the fire here. The rice. I don't think it needs a big fire, you know. Take out my stick here. And shift over this like so. Rice. I don't want it to burn up. So get the rice pot now. Throw on the rice. I'm gonna cover for the pot here. So my switch I came up with. Alright people. So because of this, I try to put a cover on it, but because of this, cover now go on it, so make it stay open like this. That boil of wicked, you know. So yeah, wicked. I'm not putting a salt on it yet until it go down. My taste it and add salt to it. Saltfish, I know how salt is saltfish, so I'm now putting salt in it and then it go salt, so I soon taste it and add salt in it. Okay people, so I go on there and the fire kinda dead done now, so throw on some more stick. Is any alright, so I wash the rice now and throw in, but first I just Stir up this. So far, the flavors smell nice, you know. So, let's see what I go on, people. Let's see what I go on. So, now go put on the rice and then throw the dumpling them like. So, soon to come up people will to mash rice. First, no. Try that is first, and then mash rice and put it on it. So, back it, yeah, so, market this on people. So, some of the rice now people, yeah? It's a bone. Pon rice. It's about pon rice, guys. Or less. I don't know, say. Have to wash the rice, you know? People have to wash rice 3 times, too. Can't be until much, then you wash your rice. I'll get the salt, you know. I'll get the salt, people. So it's everything. So, get the salt, guys. So, want the butter now, but put the press of this. Not this. Alright. So mix up time for this mug, guys. Wait, where is the water? Some need for time I know. It's kinda small, guys. Check your plate come. Want some bigger go the plate, I swear. So guys, good fire dead dog. So I'm throwing all them thing here. All them thing, the flour and all that. Then me I go check back the fire. So guys, just throwing all the dumpling them. Or tungo tail. Then call them tungo tail, I think. Then 2 piece dumpling there. Yeah, I think so. I didn't never clean up now. But first, this I'm too big to get stick up with the Irish and good night. time of the throw in. Think already now guys. Think already. So I keep the fire enough so it can blaze up. Right now the fire can down as you see. Yes, so I'll do that now. So guys, you see before me do all that, I want to taste it first. For me to stick them and them thing and dirty it back. I want to taste all the feed first. See if you want the salt. Yes, people. You want to lick up the top of salt, a pinch. Just a pinch, you know? So, I want to try rice now. See rice, people. Yeah, see the spoon drop. Good. But I'm back. As I go down, look like you want to water tonight. You see me, so. I'm gonna add that now, people. So, people, I'm gonna put this knife and I put a chip there. I'm gonna put more knife. Just push it up and thing and say base up because I don't know that basically been cooked already, you know. You see me, so basically the flour potent left cook and that done and the rice a steam. Yes, so I'm soon checking back with the people. When time everything done, then I'm checking back with you. Yeah. So guys, at finish. Lost the rice alone. Chicken rice a while ago. The camera wasn't on. But they want some heat. And the fire you gone down the coat. The fire you basically did it. So I can take out majority of this and put on the rice pot. God, I switch. I just get the rice finished now. Let's get that started out. So, when the rice done, people, I try to clean my could do make this make the fire, got steam over this right here. You know, take over this right here. So, just make this stay warm. So, people, so when the rice done, I'm checking my could so look more. So, guys, it's finished as me say, yeah. And I was waiting on the rice, and the rice finished now. Right, must done steam by now. So what I'm gonna do now, I go share you some of this. My taste it on camera for you, because as I said, I never actually eat this before. You see me? I hear about it, I'm saying I want to try it, I want to on camera, I can see what I go and see me. So let's do this, people. So I'm gonna taste the stew pot alone first. Um, it's 2 part now. This again, cause my this but take a time to activate now. Make good thing started. Anyway, yeah. It's true now, people. Hold on. Wash it down with some syrup. Anyways, it's true now. If I could choose between this stew and the regular stew peas with the chicken foot and the pigtail, I would choose that one. This one is not bad, right? But me would choose the pigtail one. But the one is pretty good, you know? You can definitely taste your saltfish. Cook it. Yeah. The saltfish, when you eat saltfish, it kinda too fresh to my liking. I like a little bit salt. Night. I'm not going bad too much, but bad too much. But it good still, you know. It good same way. You see me? So this is what I want for it's true with the rice and say I go now. Not bad. I can taste the smoky flavor. And yeah. But me rather the big taste rupees. But good same, you know. So guys, my shell lungs you know, I don't know me to like eat on camera and thing, you know, so I shell them that because me too fast and too, you know, can't be too eating, so shell them that. Stick and stay for the next video. Stay tuned for the next video, people. By just subscribing to the channel. You see me? Follow me IG JP76 and Yastyle Adventures. The link to the page then down below in the description. So go over there and follow me on both pages. You see me? Me always post like when time I do a vlog. So while I record, I post some clippings or some pic on there. So if you want to see what's next, when you can just follow me, you see me? Yeah. So they can stay there when I wonder what man drop next. You can just follow my IG and I always see what's next. Yeah. So like the video, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this. Share the video before. Tell everybody about me, help me grow. Please help me grow. I stress that help me grow. When I share it, tell the person who share it to say, oh, subscribe and share it also. You see me? Remember, touch the bell button and subscribe, you know. Put it on all. When you see me, I put in the work. So, I subscribe and put in the work. And I show you me different. I come with difference. You see me? What I said before, the best of this channel is yet to come. And when one my video, my video can amaze when they can wow, wow, we never know that can cook, that can heat, and them thing there. You see me? And I'll come with something different. So even if it's a dish everybody know, I always come with a different twist to it. You see me? I always come with some exclusive dish, some different kind of dishes. You see me? Yeah. And cooking a style. You see me? Like out of the pot a while ago and cook. Yeah, man. Enough more epic video come, man. And me soon drop some adventures video, you know. Yeah, man. Me soon drop that, man. So no worry myself. So stay tuned, people. I'll catch you back. in the next video. So look more.